right, our last talk before the break is Camellia x williamsii St. U by Mandeep, Matharu, and Yvette Harvey from the Royal Horticultural Society. Thank you very much. Oh, that mommy just made my day. That was amazing. I will be talking about this particular specimen. This is a nomenclature standard. As you can see, it's been stamped at the bottom. It says standard portfolio. Nomenclature standard is a horticultural equivalent to a type specimen. So basically, it's a reference point to name a new taxon or a species. So that's where our herbarium is most doing work in. And this particular specimen, I think it's a very good interlinkage between the present and the past because it highlights the work of one of the greatest plant explorers of the 19th century, George Forrest. George Forrest was a Scottish botanist, and he was one of the first explorers of China's then remote southwestern province of Yunnan, generally regarded as the most diverse province of the country. So our organization, the RHS Gardens, was member of the syndicate which sponsored his trip to China between 1917 and 1919. And George Forrest, he collected over 31,000 specimens from China, and he discovered more than 1,200 plant species which were new to science and had about 34 taxa named after him. He did a lot of work. We actually have the original notes from the expedition. We have the press which was taken to collect the plants. Unfortunately, they haven't put it over there. But we have all of that stuff with us at our RHS Lindley Library. Now the importance was that Forrest, he basically discovered the plant Camellia celuensis, which was one of the parent of this cross, Camellia cross williamsii St. U. Now what he did was, when he came back, he actually sent those seeds from Camellia celuensis to a chap called J.C. Williams in Cairhayes Castle in Cornwall. And Mr. J.C. Williams, he crossed the celuensis with the japonica plants, and then the new seedling flowered in 1926. And that new strain was named as St. U after the name of a village which was next to the Cairhayes Castle in Cornwall. And this plant is special to us because it was awarded as RHS's Award of Merit in 1947. So basically what we're trying to tell is this is what we do. This is why we do it, just to preserve the historical collection, and it just gives a nice kind of interlinkage between the work that people have done in the past. And also we can use these plants in order to do research work, DNA analysis and morphological analysis as well. Thank you very much. All right, so now we have coffee break, and I believe there's coffee in the Willowford room, and we'll reconvene at 10:15.